How to delete WhatsApp messages from a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp messages from a laptop. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the browser and search for web.whatsapp.com. Now this will open up your WhatsApp on your laptop. Next, select the chat you want to delete. Afterward, click on the message and this will open a drop-down menu. Then, simply click on the delete option. Now click on the delete for me option and this will delete WhatsApp messages from the laptop. So this is how you can delete WhatsApp messages from your laptop. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.